Grazie. Wait a minute.
Good morning, Major Boothroyd.
Morning, Major.
Look what Q's brought for us. Isn't it nice?
Right. Now, pay attention, 007. I want you to take great care of this equipment. There are one or two rather special accessories.
Q, have I ever let you down?
Frequently.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno, signora.
You have a reservation for me. The name is Sterling.
Ah, yes. Mr. and Mrs. Sterling. Book from Cairo.
That's right.
We have Suite A5 for you, a sitting room and 2 bedrooms.
Moneypenny being a little over-efficient. Do you have any messages for me? Thank you. Excellent. We have been granted an audience.
Mr. Sterling,
Yes?
I'm Naomi. Mr. Stromberg sent me to collect you.
How do you do? This is my wife, who so happens to be my assistant.
You are on holiday here?
Where there's an ocean, a marine biologist is never on holiday. Can we offer you a drink before we go?
No, thank you. Mr. Stromberg's a very busy man. His time is precious.
What a handsome craft. Such lovely lines.